Hey Nail Techs, it's Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com. We're doing an unboxing from CJ Center for Beauty. CJ Center for Beauty is a VIP sponsor of the 2024 Nail Tech Event of the Smokies. Go to nailtechevent.com for info. Let's see what she sent. Oh yes, look at, we've got 200 of these. If you guys have never heard of sachet, this is what CJ carries on her website. So all you have to do is go to the homepage of nailtechevent.com, scroll down till you see CJ Center Beauty logo, tap on it, and it'll take you right to her website. But you do have to be a licensed beauty pro to order professional beauty products. This is the most amazing callus reducing product I have ever found in my 37 years of doing hands and feet. So anyway, one of these will be in each of the 200 VIP swag bags. So those tickets, actually the VIP tickets sold out in a few hours of going on sale January 1st. Anyway, CJ, this is the most awesome thing. The nail techs are gonna love this. Thank you so much for being a VIP sponsor. Peace out.